Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Man, what a beautiful spring day. Check out this spot I'm at. I'm just down the street from the Manassas Regional Airport and the VRE station, and that's the Broad Run Creek behind me. And I'm waiting on two Amtraks, the 156 Northeast Regional and the 20 Crescent. Wow, how cool was that? That was kind of unexpected. I didn't think the 20 Crescent would have 3 engines, but it did, and we'll take it. That's always pretty cool to see that. And I believe that's going to do it here. I think I might stay here a little bit longer and listen to the sound of the creek. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails.